Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool image right here, and pretty much what this is a door lock. And you see right here they do provide you guys an image of what the product looks like. And when you guys do purchase it, it does give you an option to buy one or two. The one that we got right here is a 2-pack. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, here's what the inside looks like. So they do provide you guys the screws that you need to use to actually set it up. And they give you guys 2 packs since there's 2 of them. Inside they also provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to install it with step-by-step with photos as well. And when you guys do set it up, you guys do need to have a electric drill. If you guys don't have one, you need to get one first in order for it to set up. But pretty much inside they do provide you guys 2 of them, and both of them are the same. So let me show you guys how it works. So from what I understand is that the way how you guys install it, you guys want to put this against the wall or by the door. You guys want to drill the hole in between right here, 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 and here. Once you guys do that, if you see right here on the side, it is padded as well, so that way it will not damage the wall when you guys do install it. But once you guys install it, what you can do is pull it out. They do have the area right here to show you guys. But if you guys do pull it out like that, that is how you guys unlock it. But once you guys push it back in, that is how you guys lock it. So pretty much when it's locked like this, people cannot open your door from this side. So for example, if you have it locked like this, if someone tries to open the door, it's locked and people cannot push it anymore. But once you guys pull it out to unlock it, this is pretty much what it will look like once they do unlock it, and that way you can still open the door. And literally all you do is just push back in like this, and that will lock it back in, and that way no one can open it. Because it will support up to 800 pounds of force when you guys do lock it like this, which is really cool. So not only can it be security for yourself when people try to intrude into your house, but you can also use it as a child-proof lock. So that way if you guys want to lock anywhere that you don't want your kids to open the door, you do have the option available as well, which is really cool. It's literally so easy for you guys to install it. It's not hard at all. Literally once you guys got the position onto your door or your wall, whatever, you guys just want to screw it in right here like I showed you guys. And once you guys do, you guys can just open up and close it very easily like this. And lock it back in, just like that. Very easy and very simple. And the material that's on here is very high quality, so you don't have to worry about breaking anytime soon. Same thing for the screws. The screws that they provide you guys right here are some high quality screws. It's a long screw as well, so it's not cheap. So it's gonna be really durable when you guys do use it.